Hello, and welcome to the video tutorial on how to use the AnyLog Remote GUI. Today we will be covering over the monitoring section. This is the second tab on the sidebar. When you open up the monitoring section, you will be greeted by this. It just shows your connected node, your refresh, and your monitoring buttons. Right now we will start monitoring. You can see that we have a refresh rate in seconds of 20. This goes up in multiples of 20 seconds. And so it polls the node for information based off of this refresh rate. When you start monitoring, you will be able to see all of the different information that is available. You'll have your node name, operation, elapsed time, new rows, free space, CPU percent, etc. This is so that you can monitor the health and relevant information for all of those nodes. You can also add thresholds based off of what you might want to check for. For example, we can select a column. In this case, I will say free space percent. And let's say I want to make sure it's always, I want to check to see if it's greater than or equal to 40%. And as soon as we hit add threshold, we can see we have our active thresholds right here. And it automatically highlights the specific column in which anything might be greater than 40. We can also edit this. So let's say I want to edit it to make sure it's no longer greater than or equal to 60% and hit update. And it will only highlight one of them. We can also add another threshold, for example, CPU percent. I want to make sure I want to check if it's greater than or equal to 6. If I add that, we can see we now have two thresholds right here. And you can see there's one section that's highlighted on this column as well. Again, we can always delete specific ones, and that column will no longer have that threshold applied to it.